In this video, you will learn how to install Google Apps on your Windows, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. This will enable you to have a dedicated window for each of your Google app. To do that, simply open your browser, be it Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. I'm using Google Chrome. Once you have opened your browser, go over to the search bar and type like, for instance, gmail.com. And the moment it opens, you go over to this three dots by this right side, then click on it. Then click on this cast, save and share. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this particular install page as app. Click on install. This has installed this and you have it as a dedicated window for your Gmail. You can see it on this taskbar. You can see the shortcut here. And if you go over to your search area and type Gmail, you also see it that it has been installed. If you want to also install other apps as dedicated window in your PC, you can just click on this dots here. Then if you have clicked on that, for instance, this Google Drive, you can just click on it. This will open up for you. Having done that, the next thing you need to do is either you go to these three dots and follow this same step that we used, or you can come over to this area, click on install and then install, and this will also have a dedicated window. You can also see the shortcuts here and all of those things. If you don't wish to have it as a pinned tab here, you can just right click and then you unpin it from the taskbar. Anyone you don't want, you can just unpin it that way and you have it that way in your PC. You can just still go ahead and install other ones and have it the way you want to have it as a dedicated Windows in your PC. With this, it makes it easier for you to access any of your Google app on your PC.